My father and I came up with the song I used in this video, a guide to folk dancing. Additionally, we learned the procedures regarding how to carry it out.
Hi everyone, I am YANI, grade 4, Mapayapa. I'm gonna teach you the basic movements of arms and feet in folk dance. Yan guys, gawin muna natin yung sa arms. Ang gamot ay nagbibigay ng lakas sa ating buhay. Iba't ibang karamdaman, mabilis na malunasan. Ngayon guys, gawin naman natin sa paa. Iba't ibang mga sakit, di basta kumakapit. Dito mano sa ibang bansa, gamot ay laging handa. Ngayon guys, doon naman tayo sa kombinasyon ng kamay at paa. Ang gamot ay nagbibigay ng lakas sa ating buhay. Iba't ibang karamdaman, mabilis na malunasan. Iba't ibang mga sakit, di basta kumakapit. Dito mano sa ibang bansa, gamot ay laging handa. Hi everyone, I am YANI, grade 4 Mapayapa, and I'm gonna teach you some basic movements of arms and feet in folk dance.
Step by step.
In first position, arms are raised in a circular position in front of the chest with the fingertips almost touching each other. Palms are facing down and the back of the hands are facing the audience. Second position, both arms are sideward in shoulder level position. There's a slight curve a little below the shoulder level and palms are facing upward. Third position, right arm is raised overhead and the left arm is raised sideward with palm facing upward. Fourth position, right arm is raised overhead and the left arm is raised in front of the chest with palm facing inward. Fifth position, both arms are raised upward with palm facing downward. Next is I'll show you the fifth position. First position, heels are close together and toes are apart with an angle of about 45 degrees. Weight must be on both feet. Second position, straight sideward about a pace or 1 foot apart with toes slightly turned outward. Weight must be on both feet. Third position, heel of the right foot must close to the instep or the middle of the left foot. Weight must be on both feet. Fourth position, the right foot is slightly in front facing diagonally of the left foot. Fifth position, vertical line with the toes of the foot must be in near. Toes turned outward. Weight is on both feet. Heel of the right foot is close. That's all, ladies and gentlemen, and I thank you. Ngayon guys, gawin naman natin sa pa. Makikita mo dito eh.
Ag-istimakan, pag sao. Ag-istimakan yung pag-in.
Iba't ibang karamdaman. Naku, iba't Yan guys, doon naman tayo sa combination ng kamay at paa. Yan guys, doon naman tayo sa combination. Yan guys, doon naman tayo sa kombinasyon ng kamay at paa. Yan guys, doon naman tayo sa kombinasyon ng kamay at paa. Ang gamot ay nagbibigay ng lakas sa ating buhay. Iba't ibang karamdaman. Yan guys, doon naman tayo sa kombinasyon ng kamay at paa. Ang gamot ay nagbibigay ng lakas sa ating buhay. Iba't ibang karamdaman. Yan guys, doon naman tayo sa kombinasyon ng kamay at paa. Ang gamot ay nagbibigay ng lakas sa ating buhay. Iba't ibang mga sakit. Yan guys, doon naman tayo sa kombinasyon ng kamay at paa. Ang gamot ay